Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into paradise. We're about to drop the ultimate guide to the top 10 beaches you absolutely have to hit up in the Maldives in 2024. So grab your sunscreen, pack your bags, because we're about to embark on a visual journey that'll have you booking your flights before the video's even over. Let's do this thing. First up, we're hitting Hulhumale Beach. Hulhumale is all about that city vibe, right next to the capital Male. Don't let that fool you though, this place is the real deal. Think of it as the perfect blend of island life and city excitement. You can spend the morning soaking up the sun, then explore the bustling streets of Male in the afternoon. And the best part is, Hulhumale is crazy easy to get to. Just a quick hop from the airport and bam, you're there. Trust me, this place will surprise you. Next up, we're jetting off to Dhigurah Beach, a hidden gem in the Maldives that promises an unforgettable experience. This island is not just a destination, it's a dream come true for anyone seeking a slice of paradise. Imagine a place where the sky meets the sea in a seamless blend of blue, where every sunrise and sunset paints the horizon with hues of pink, orange, and gold. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to savor every moment. And let me tell you, this place is pure romance. Imagine walking hand in hand with your loved one, the soft sand beneath your feet, and the gentle waves kissing the shore. The beach stretches endlessly, offering you a private sanctuary where you can lose yourselves in each other's company. The sound of the waves creates a soothing symphony, making every step feel like a dance. It's the perfect setting for love to blossom and for memories to be made. Picture this: you, your special someone, and nothing but endless stretches of white sand and the sound of the waves. It's like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. The beach is pristine, untouched by the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here you can lay back on the soft sand, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and listen to the gentle lapping of the waves. It's a place where you can truly relax and let go of all your worries. The water? Crystal clear, turquoise perfection. It's so inviting, you'll want to dive right in and never leave. The ocean here is like a giant natural swimming pool, with water so clear you can see the sandy bottom even from a distance. It's the kind of place where you can spend hours just floating, feeling the gentle sway of the water, and letting the world drift away. Snorkeling, diving, or just floating on your back, it doesn't get much better than this. The underwater world here is just as breathtaking as the view above. The coral reefs are teeming with life, offering a kaleidoscope of colours and shapes. Whether you're an experienced diver or a first-time snorkeler, you'll be amazed by the vibrant marine life that calls this place home. It's an underwater paradise that promises adventure and discovery at every turn. The island is surrounded by a vibrant coral reef, so you can expect to see all sorts of colourful marine life. It's a paradise for anyone who loves the ocean. The reef is a living, breathing ecosystem, home to countless species of fish, corals, and other marine creatures. Exploring it is like stepping into another world, one filled with wonder and beauty. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity and richness of our planet's oceans. Trust me, if you're looking for that ultimate romantic escape, Dhigurah Beach needs to be at the top of your list. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky is set ablaze with colours, creating a breathtaking backdrop for a romantic evening. It's the perfect time to take a leisurely stroll along the beach, hand in hand, and watch as the day turns into night. It's the perfect place to reconnect with your partner and just forget about the rest of the world. Here, you can truly unwind and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply enjoying each other's company, Dhigurah Beach offers a serene and intimate setting. It's a place where love is in the air, and every moment is an opportunity to deepen your connection and create lasting memories. Okay, let's be real. The name Bikini Beach alone should be enough to get you packing your bags. The Maldives is a predominantly Muslim country, which means swimwear is usually restricted to certain areas. But Bikini Beach on Maafushi Island, this is where the rules get tossed out the window. The water here is absolutely perfect for swimming, with gentle waves and that signature Maldivian turquoise hue. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a jet ski, go for a banana boat ride, or even try parasailing. Trust me, Bikini Beach is all about letting loose, embracing the island vibes, and just having a good time. Now, if you're looking for a taste of the good life, Reethi Beach is where it's at. We're talking about next-level luxury, the kind of place where you're pampered from the moment you arrive. Think private villas overlooking the ocean, infinity pools that disappear into the horizon, and service that caters to your every whim. But here's the thing. Reethi Beach isn't just about fancy amenities. This place is surrounded by some of the most incredible marine life in the Maldives. So yeah, Reethi Beach is a splurge, but it's one of those once-in-a-lifetime experiences that you'll never forget. Alright, let's talk about Coco Island, a place where dreams become reality. Nestled in the heart of the Maldives, this island is a true paradise on earth, offering an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Have you ever seen those pictures of overwater bungalows perched above crystal clear water? They look almost too perfect to be real, right? Well, at Coco Island, these stunning images come to life in the most breathtaking way. Yeah, Coco Island is where you'll find them. These luxurious bungalows offer an unparalleled experience, blending comfort and elegance with the natural beauty of the surroundings. Imagine waking up to the sound of the waves lapping beneath your bungalow, stepping out onto your private deck, and diving straight into the turquoise abyss. The water is so clear, you can see the vibrant marine life swimming below. Coco Island has multiple beaches to choose from, each one more stunning than the last. Whether you prefer a secluded spot for some quiet reflection, or a lively beach for water sports and activities, there's something for everyone. This place is all about wellness and rejuvenation, with a world-class spa, yoga classes overlooking the ocean, and healthy, delicious food. Indulge in a relaxing massage, join a sunrise yoga session, or savor a meal prepared with fresh, local ingredients. It's the kind of experience that stays with you long after you've left. The memories of the serene sunsets, the gentle ocean breeze, and the unparalleled luxury will linger in your mind, calling you back to this overwater oasis time and time again. Okay, let's talk about Dhigurah Beach, a place that's basically the opposite of Hulhumale. While Hulhumale is known for its serene and secluded vibe, Dhigurah Beach is all about grandeur and scale. Dhigurah Beach is all about going big. Imagine a beach that seems to stretch endlessly, inviting you to walk for miles without ever leaving the soft, powdery sand. This place boasts one of the longest stretches of beach in the entire Maldives, and I'm talking kilometers of pristine white sand. It's the kind of place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the horizon, with the turquoise waters gently lapping at your feet. But Dhigurah Beach isn't just about size, it's about the experience, the feeling of being in a place that's both vast and intimate at the same time. Whether you're lounging under a palm tree or taking a leisurely stroll, there's a sense of peace and tranquility that permeates the air. It's also one of the best places in the Maldives to see whale sharks. These magnificent creatures are a sight to behold, and Dhigurah offers a unique opportunity to get up close and personal with them. These gentle giants are regular visitors to the waters around Dhigurah, and trust me, swimming alongside one of these creatures is an experience you'll never forget. Imagine the thrill of seeing a whale shark glide gracefully through the water, its massive size dwarfing everything around it. So grab your snorkel gear or hop on a dive boat and get ready to explore the underwater wonderland. The coral reefs are teeming with life, from colourful fish to intricate coral formations. Every dive or snorkel session is a new adventure, a chance to discover the hidden treasures of the ocean. Now, let's talk about Maafushi Beach, a place that proves you don't need to break the bank to experience the magic of the Maldives. Maafushi is a favourite amongst backpackers and budget travellers, and for good reason. Here, you'll find affordable guest houses, local eateries serving up delicious Maldivian cuisine, and a laid-back vibe that's impossible to resist. Maafushi Beach is still ridiculously beautiful. Plus, Maafushi is a great base for exploring other islands in the area. This is a place where you can interact with Maldivian people, learn about their traditions, and experience a side of the Maldives that you won't find at the luxury resorts. And there you have it, folks, the 10 must-visit beaches in the Maldives for 2024. From secluded escapes to luxurious getaways, there's truly something for everyone in this slice of paradise. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream trip to the Maldives today. Don't forget to like this video if you're already dreaming of those turquoise waters and white sand beaches, and hit that subscribe button for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring. See you in the next video.